Hello and welcome to this video. The project shows one way to make faux dollhouse miniature wrought iron candle holders using cardstock, paint, and punches. Materials are listed below the video in the description box. To make the candles, see my previous videos for pillars, tea lights, and votives. The stick candles will be shown in the next upcoming video. You could use quilling strips, crochet thread, floral wire, or cardstock as a few ideas to achieve a wrought iron look. I am using cardstock for this project. Begin by selecting punch shapes or cut shapes out by hand. Make 2 of each shape for each piece. Glue the same shapes together and press. When dry, use a stylus to gently curl the ends on a foam piece. For a hammered look, place cardstock on a hard matte surface and use the stylus to press edges and areas of the shape. You can now apply an acrylic matte black paint to each side. Let dry. To make the 3/8 inch circle, leaves, and the snowflake holder shapes, add a pinhole if you will be using the candles with the optic filament as shown in my previous video. Select purchased candles or handmade candles. I'm using pillar candles made from paper lollipop sticks. For the snowflake shape, I have added a 1/8 inch circle piece in the center. Glue the candles to the top of the wrought iron holder. Make sure the fiber optic will have access to a light source. You could always add handles to the little candle holders if you like, and do a light check. To make the S scroll-shaped candle holder, glue the 2 pieces together, add 3 pinholes, 1 in the center of each end, and then 1 in the center of the scroll. Select beads to raise the scroll piece up, and glue to the bottom. I use 3 on each end and 1 in the center. Select purchased candles or handmade. These are stick candles made from plastic faucet balloon tubes, to be shown in my next video. Add a bead to the base of each candle. Glue the candles to the holder. To make the branch-shaped candle holder, select purchased 4 to 5 candles or handmade ones. I'm using 4 quilling strip tea lights with optical fiber for my previous video. Make sure the fiber is open to the base light source and glue. To make the leaf and scroll candle holder, place center pinholes in the 3 circles. Glue 2 pieces together at one end of each one. It will be about 2 inches long, and it will display nicely by a bay window, a fireplace mantle, or a rectangle table. Glue 6 beads to raise the scroll piece on the bottom. Flip over when dry. Select your candles. Glue to the center circle on the cardstock pieces. I'm using paper lollipop sticks for the pillar candle shapes, with paper, flower, and star shapes glued to it. You could glue the circles evenly across the top of the scroll piece, placing a pinhole for fiber optic, or add another bead below the circles, then glue above the pinhole. This will need support while it glues. The yellow beeswax honeycomb diamond pillar shaped candles will be made in my next project. I hope you like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.